I got a couple things going on. I got a pipe sticking up out of the ground here that wasn't here before. Okay, so what happened here? Well, I'll show you a little bit of phone footage right now, but basically we dug this pipe underneath the driveway and we're feeding it over to here and right here. So what's going on? Okay, we're running more power to the garage. I know I told you this, but we had to dig a pipe underneath the driveway, so we got that going on. Now in here, over in this side of the garage, look at this. I got this all tore up, okay? I got the ceiling tore up, I got the wall tore up, I've got some water damage issues happening over here. Gonna have roofers come in and redoing the roof. I'm gonna be looking at the ceiling, so I got a big thing going on there. But now, over here, I'm just kind of dinking over here today, and I'm looking at my situation right here with my stereo, my toolbox and everything. I don't want my toolbox to live there forever, and I need a table for the stereo and the music station. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make a little bench right here. Oh man, I just welded these on backwards. I was supposed to weld them on going this way. pretty happy with this. This is my new little workstation. Now, I got my toolbox completely out of here. It's over on that side. And this is just the machine shop in here now. We got the lathe here, little drill press. We're gonna have the CNC mill right here. So this is the machine shop. So I got my machine shop toolboxes here. Nice little workspace. My computer's up here for the music station. Receivers down there. You know, I got it going on here. I'm pretty happy with this. Thanks for watching.